What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early?
Yes! What else me fi do? Me wear mask till me tired! Me wear all of the same thing them till me tired!
Jamaican people need to wake up. Jamaican people need to wake up. Me now wear no mask.
Me work morning, noon and night from 3 o'clock. Me get up early in a toilet pan pit. And me sleep all about in a bush. Flanker. Me live in a one house for 7 years without light. Me lump on Sister Lee floor. Me do everything. I beg them to accept me. Pastor Samuel. When you say woman of a preach, me down a Yahweh. We try to see what me fi do. And this morning, see me here, call me grace, no disgrace. They say me not deserve nothing. The doctorate, with PhD degree. Dr. Herbert Thompson decides I'm not forget in 1998. Patrick Allen, and the one them put in on my space. Dr. Gilbert Allen, 1988, after me left Buckingham Palace.
And from September and January, we about I'm f with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now.
Go call 401 01 91 ask the man who married me. Pastor James Samuels. Pastor James Son Lynn. What come NCU with me? Who me serve in the cafeteria? Who me register in the health center?
They thought you to love Michael Jackson, then they thought you to hate Michael Jackson. They thought you to love Bill Cosby, then they thought you to hate Bill Cosby. Don't you see that they have been lying to us for all these times, so why should we believe them now? First and foremost, Jamaicans on selling a vote, you know. And from on selling a vote, you know, no sense. So anything can happen right now. Wise up and stand up on the last chance before you reach a precipice.
Dr. Herbert Thompson decides, say, me not deserve me Buccaneer scholarship. When my granny, great-great-grand aunt from the 13th century come down to the 17th century. What they fight for and sign and say no more tax from the English. No more tax.
Well, someone said it and ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright and everything can't alright.
Maroon territory. Levi children must get food. Must get food. I'm blessing the city, blessing the field, bless when I come, where I go, cast down every struggle, sickness and poverty must cease. COVID, I fear everybody else, but not one of the Israelites shall die. If one of me dead, worldwide plague upon the whole world. Repent from King's House. From Jamaica House, Buckingham Palace, repent, repent, repent. Restoration, www.gracehope.com. Restoration. Sometimes I can't go forward, sometimes I can't go backward. Nor to the right, nor to the left. For on before me is a Red Sea. On both sides, there are 2 mountains, and fear a horse is just behind. Take him back, 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 take him back. You know what I'm talking?
Who want done this mask wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead I go dead and who not go dead just for just live? With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our life. You are so smart, why you haven't find a cure for cancer. You are both all touting a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.